Welcome everyone. We're going to explore the art of crafting effective prompts to guide language models in producing the outputs we desire. You'll learn techniques to refine prompts for better results across different applications. We'll cover understanding context, using patterns in training data, applying transfer learning, advanced methods like chain of thought and tree of thought, risks associated with prompting and how to mitigate them. So, what exactly is prompting in the context of language models? In language models, prompting involves crafting precise instructions or queries to guide the model in generating specific responses. Think of it as giving directions to the model so it knows exactly what you're asking for. The importance of prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is all about refining these prompts to optimize the model's performance across various tasks. It's essential for improving interactions with large language models, LLMs, enhancing their capabilities, ensuring they align with human intent. Why prompting matters? You might be wondering, why is prompting so crucial when working with LLMs? LLMs are trained through unsupervised learning on vast amounts of text data. This training enables them to predict the next word in a sentence based on context, helping them grasp grammar, facts, reasoning, and even some common sense. Reducing bias through prompting. Careful prompting isn't just about getting the right answers, it's also about reducing biases that the model may have inherited from its training data. By being mindful of how we phrase our prompts, we can encourage outputs that align with ethical standards. Prompting as a collaborative process. Think of prompting as a collaborative process. You're guiding the model to produce useful and relevant responses. It's a partnership between human intuition and machine computation. Risks of prompting. However, it's important to be aware of the risks associated with prompting. One significant risk is adversarial prompting, where someone crafts prompts to exploit the model's weaknesses. This can lead to biased or inappropriate content, misinformation, harmful outputs. Mitigating risks. To reduce these risks, we can develop strategies for safer prompting, implement guidelines for ethical use, continuously update and improve the models to handle adversarial prompts better. Advanced prompting techniques. Now, let's look at some advanced methods to enhance the model's reasoning abilities. Chain of thought prompting. This technique involves guiding the model to think through a problem step by step. Tree of thought prompting. Here, we encourage the model to explore multiple reasoning paths, like branches of a tree. These methods can lead to more coherent and well-reasoned responses. Understanding the context is crucial. By providing context in our prompts, we help the model generate more relevant responses. The model has learned patterns from its training data. By aligning our prompts with these patterns, we can achieve better results. Transfer learning involves using knowledge gained from one task to improve performance on another. This is particularly useful when working with specialized tasks.